Let us get to study about carbon and its compounds. We have heard about the element carbon with a symbol C. So carbon, the name carbon has come from the Latin word carbo, meaning coal. Carbon is a non-metal with an atomic number 6. Now let us have an idea about the electronic configuration of carbon. We know that the first cell consists of 2 electrons. So we'll put 2 electrons in the first cell and the rest in the next cell, that is 4. The very fact that there are 4 electrons in the second cell makes the fact that carbon is tetravalent, that is, it has a valency of 4. We know that when a particular element has got 4 or more electrons in the extreme cell or the last cell or the outermost cell, we subtract that particular number from 8. So let us have an idea about the valency of carbon. That is 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Hence carbon is tetravalent. Now the fact that carbon has got 4 electrons in the outermost cell, so it can neither add nor remove 4 electrons from its outermost cell in order to reach the stable electronic configuration. So this is how the structure of the carbon atom looks like. The first orbit consists of 2 electrons and the next consists of 4 electrons. So this very fact makes it impossible for carbon to remove 4 electrons or add 4 electrons. So that leads to the very fact that it has got to share its electrons, thus forming covalent bonds. So carbon can form covalent bonds with carbon itself as well as other elements. Now let us have an idea about how carbon occurs in nature. Carbon can occur in nature in the form of free state, in the form of graphite or diamond. Another form in which carbon also exists is Buckminster fullerene. Okay, this has been recently discovered. And the second type in which carbon can exist in nature is in the form of combined state, in the form of either oxides or carbonates, or it can form compounds with itself. The formation of carbon with itself in the form that it can combine with carbon and other elements like nitrogen, hydrogen, etc. leads to another branch of chemistry referred to as organic chemistry, and such compounds are referred to as organic compounds. Carbon exists in the nature in a very small quantity in the Earth's crust at a particular percentage of just 0.02% in the Earth's crust, and only 0.03% in the form of carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere.